All right, let's start with example. What I'm calling it is number 1. I think it's the simplest because you're starting on the root. So that is this example right here. Okay, we'll call this one number 1. And let's go ahead and fire up our accompaniment and play along with this. So root to flat 13 or sharp 5 on the G7, going to the third of the C major 7 here. And I wrote a courtesy accidental here. I've got this little keyboard at the bottom of the screen, and I thought this was kind of neat. It's going to display in color dependent upon what chord tone of the moment is taking place. So aside from the 6-note count off that you're going to get, we're going to have on the minor 7 chord here, we're starting on the root. You'll see the bottom note indicated in red. It shows in red right now. When we get to the 5 chord here, we're going to see dark purple. Okay, you can see it's enharmonically respelled E flat, but it's a D sharp. Okay, same thing. And then here for the C major 7, we've got this lighter shade of purple. It's almost more of a blue. So we're going to get red, purple, blue when we're doing these as we're going along, assuming I play them all in time. All right. So the other thing to be aware of is that when we get to here, and I've put a little marker here for you guys, that since we're going down, you can see this pattern takes place in whole steps. In order to get all of the keys squeezed in here, I had to go up by half step. See that? We've got 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, and then we go up a half step. This 2 chord is up a half step in relation to the 2 chord up here. So let me just play a little bit of the accompaniment for you, and then I'm going to play what it is that you're going to be singing here, this voice leading activity. On the keyboard, you'll see the colored keys, okay? But for now, here, this is just the accompaniment, so you can hear it. Okay, here's the interesting one. Hear that? All right, and it continues on. So let's try this. I'm not going to be using solfege syllables. I'm just going to use numbers, unaltered ones instead. Feel free to use solfege symbols if that's what's comfortable to you. But let's try it one more time, starting from the beginning here. So again, we're going to be starting on the root and just actually proceeding up by half step. Okay, so here it comes. You'll be hearing the melody played by sort of a guitar sound, and I'll sing along as well, just on the numbers. Okay, here it goes. That's our starting pitch, D. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. Here's a switch. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. F major. All right, great. So that's the first of these 4. Come back to the next video and we'll do the others.